to see this film now, tonight, it's like an out-of-body experience. It's like a huge gift. I feel as though I'm unwrapping a gift that's going to endure. And then the other thing that is such a marvel for me is that I'm still alive to experience this.
It just encouraged me to kind of look at my own, I guess, darkness of my past or my story, and to not be so afraid of, what could come from embracing it.
When I think of the story, I still think of it as a story of a child that chose to forgive those that had perpetrated such violence against her parents, and found beauty in the midst of the ashes of her life.
It's one of those stories where you can't help but cry and see how someone can go through so much and just be so strong. Like, it's very hard to forgive people nowadays.
On behalf of the team who created I Was 8814, I want to welcome you to this evening's premiere. Thank you for being here. Your presence honors the history of the Holocaust and the memory of my parents. And I'm grateful to be alive to experience this night with you all. Let the journey begin.
Once I met Hanna, I felt like I had a personal connection with her, and I knew that it had to be very intimate the way I would approach the music.
Knowing Hanna's heart made me completely believe that no thing that we could ever do to another human being is beyond reconciliation.
The most surprising part is I didn't think that it would be this thing that would change my life so much.
I hope this gives the viewer hope that it is possible for hatred to be transformed into forgiveness.
I couldn't help but think how this relates to today, where it's the struggles and the grief that we're going through and the anger. And I was thinking about my own reconciliation at the same time.